Dear students, today we will start exercise 6.7 addition and subtraction of fractions. Question number A, part 1. 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7. First tell me one thing, they are like fraction or unlike fraction? Here check the denominators. Here the denominators are 7. So if the denominators are equal, then we can say that they are like fractions. When we are adding the like fractions, then first draw a line. Then in denominator, since they are 7, write down 7. And in numerator, the terms are 2 and 1. Write down 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 7. Similarly, question number 3. Here in denominators, the term is 11. That means they are like fraction. First draw a line. Write down 11. Here the numbers are 6 and 3. So 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. 9 by 11. The denominators are same. 18. First write down the denominators. And here the numbers, we are adding 3 numbers, so you have to write down 3 numbers here. First number is 5 plus second number is 3 plus third number is 1. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 18. Here I am getting 9 by 18. We can simplify this fraction. 9 to the 18. So my answer will be 1 by 2. When we can simplify the fraction, we will simplify that fraction. After that, we will write down the answer. Question number B, add. This is also similar. The question is 3 by 5 and 1 by 5. So first I am writing in this way that 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Denominators are same. Write down 5 and the numerators are 3 plus 1. So 4 by 5. 9 by 17 plus 4 by 17. Denominator will be 17. Then 9 plus 4. 13 by 17. Here we are adding 3 numbers. Denominators are same. First write down the denominator, that is equal to 35. After that the numerators. First one is 4 plus second number is 6 plus third number is 8. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. 18 by 35 is my answer. Then check we can simplify it or not. If we can simplify, we have to simplify this fraction. Now question number C, part 1. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So we are doing subtraction here. Denominators are same. Like addition, first write down the denominator. Then the numerator 3. Here the sign is minus, write down minus sign, minus 2. 3 minus 2 equal to 1, so 1 by 5. Question number 3. Denominators are same, 11. First write down the denominator, then 10 minus 1. 9 by 11. Question number 7. What is the denominator? 14. 14. Then 9 minus 7. 2 by 14, we can cancel this one. 2 sevens are 14, so 1 by 7. Next D, question number 1, our question is subtract 3 by 11 from 8 by 11. So first write down 8 by 11, then minus 3 by 11. Here denominators are same, write down 11, then 8 minus 3. So 5 by 11. Similarly, question number 3. Subtract 9 by 13 from 11 by 13. So first I am writing 11 by 13 minus 9 by 13. Then a similar process 2 by 13. Question number 7. Subtract 7 by 51 from 23 by 51. So first write down 23 by 51, then minus 7 by 51. So here first write down 51, then 23 minus 7. 16 by 51. So this is my answer. Now I will start exercise 6.8. It is also an addition of fractions. But here these are not like fractions because denominators are different. When we are adding two fractions and denominators are different, first we will find the LCM of the denominators. 5 and 10, find the LCM. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So our LCM is 10. First we will make the equal denominators. 2 by 5. I have to make this denominator 5, it is 10. So if I multiply 2, 5 twos are 10, then we have to multiply 2 here also, 2 twos are 4. This process we have already done when we were arranging the fractions in ascending descending order. So here first we will apply that process. And the second fraction is 1 by 10. This is already 10. So if we multiply 1, then we will get that 10 ones are 10. 4 by 10 and 1 by 10. Now we got two fractions whose denominators are equal. After that, add these two fractions. Since the denominators are equal, first write down 10. 4 plus 1 because they are the numerators. So my answer is 1 by 2. So what we are doing here, if the denominators are not equal, first we will find the LCM, then we will make it equal. 5 twos are 10, so I am multiplying 2 with the numerator also, 2 twos are 4. And here I am multiplying by 1, 10 ones are 10, 1 ones are 1. So I am getting two new fractions whose denominators are equal, that is equal to 10. Add these two new fractions. 4 by 10 plus 1 by 10. Now this is like fraction. Write down 10. Then write down the numerators. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 10. We can simplify this one. 5 twos are 10. So my answer will be 1 by 2. Similarly, we will do the next sum number 7. 5 by 11 and 3 by 22. Here also denominators are different. First we will find the LCM. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. So LCM will be 11 into 2, 22. First we will make the denominators equal. 11 twos are 22. So we will multiply 2 with 5 also. 5 twos are 10. Next. It is already 22 here. So write down only 1. So now these are the new fractions. Add these new fractions. Since the denominators are equal, write down 22. And the numerators, add the numerators. 10 plus 3. So 13 by 22 is the answer. Here we are adding three fractions. The denominators are 2, 4 and 3. First find the LCM. So our LCM will be 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. Write down the fractions. 2 6 are 12. 6 ones are 6. Next fraction. 4 threes are 12. 3 ones are 3. Next one. 3 fours are 12. 4 ones are 4. Now we got three new fractions whose denominators are equal. So add these new fractions. First write down the denominator, that is equal to 12. Then add the numerators. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 by 12. And here the answer is 13 by 12, but it is an improper fraction, so we have to transform it to mixed fraction. How we can do that? Divide 13 by 12, 12 ones are 12, so 1 is the remainder, means 1 by the 12. One whole number 1 by 12 is our answer. So if in your answer you are getting an improper fraction, you have to transform it to mixed fraction, and if in your answer you can simplify that answer, then you have to simplify. After that, write down the answer. So that means when we are adding or subtracting two fractions or three fractions, first we will check if denominators are same, then it is fine. If denominators are different, first we find the LCM. After that we will find new fractions whose denominators are equal, then we will add that fractions. Thank you children.